Marco, and I'm the CEO and founder of ColorBase. And I am excited to tell you about the Color Confidence workshops that we will be presenting at the FESPA Middle East show in Dubai from January 29th to January 31st of 2024. For many printing companies, achieving color accuracy is an ongoing challenge. The industry is constantly evolving with new technologies, materials, and heightened expectations from customers and brands. And while color may meet expectations most of the time, the real test comes when it doesn't. This workshop will give you all the tools you need to address those challenging moments. I will be leading these workshops for both printer operators and sales professionals, with content specific to both groups. I've personally trained more than 5,000 individuals across more than 80 countries and have decades of experience in color management and printing. I will share my insights and practical guidance to help you achieve color confidence and improve your bottom line. If you are ready to take your color confidence to the next level, join us at the Color Confidence Workshop at FESPA Middle East, January 29th to January 31st in Dubai at the DEC Exhibition Center. See you there.